So, yeah, let me zoom out. Catching this on video. I don't care if I walk up. I don't know if they got rabies, but I think it's to the death. Like, you see them go? Let me zoom in for you. They fighting. Look, you see that other one sees me. They worrying about fighting. Oh, they fighting. But watch, if I leave there, they're gonna try to fight again. Ah! I had to do that. Alright. Watch. We gonna keep on watching them. We gonna keep on watching. Yeah, they stopped fighting because I came. But usually, there was like 5 rounds because I had to break it up 5 times. It was crazy. It was just crazy. Straight up. See, like, coming back. Just keep it watching.